It's time. If you've followed this channel for a while, you know that I enjoy Apple products, I have a high IQ, therefore I like Apple stuff. So, I made a purchase. I purchased the Apple TV 4K 32GB. So, we are going to be unboxing that right now. So, unfortunately, we did get a dent from shipping this, so that is unfortunate. So let's just go ahead and cut that. Get that out of there. The big reveal. Alright, so we have our Siri remote right here. I'm going to leave that in the wrapping for now. Rechargeable, of course. And we have our power cord under there. And the actual TV itself. Underneath we have that, just to pull the TV. We have our guide, and of course a lightning cable to charge our remote. I'm glad they include that, because Apple being Apple, sometimes they don't include stuff like that. So, that is my Apple TV 4K. I plan to have a full setup video once I get a cool thing going on here. So yeah, look forward to that, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.